there are two projects under the Marcos administration that has been launched by CHED. This is one of the two. And we are bringing together the expertise, the partnerships of very good state universities and colleges. MMSU, ISPSC, and DIPSO together to develop probiotics. So that is the objective of the project, and we want to showcase the brilliance of state universities and colleges in the Ilocos region for this project.
Sir, bakit po sa tatlong universities na ito?
Kasi magaling sila. That is the number one reason. We fund state universities and colleges that have a good track record in research and development, in industry partnership, and state universities and colleges who are willing to collaborate with each other. So that's the direction of the CHED Research and Development projects under the Marcos administration. So the other project we have is a partnership between Mindanao State University General Santos, West Visayas State University in Iloilo, and UP Manila College of Medicine on technology-mediated learning in medicine. Ganon din, the other project also brings together three very good schools who are willing to work together, who have expertise, and who have linkages. They are linked with the University of Adelaide in Australia. Ito naman, they are linked with universities in the ASEAN region.
Hindi ba mahirap i-propagate yung mga indigenous culture dito sa...
Hindi naman. Actually, yung listahan nila, available na lahat yan. For example, for DIMSO, they already have a lot of mulberry which they are using for their sericulture or silk project. So they're not starting from scratch. They already have areas planted to mulberry. So the selection of indigenous products that they have is already based on what they are currently doing. Like if you see at the back, yung dun sa Rosel, yung DIMSO already has a Rosel drink. The difference in this new project is they will put subject it to probiotics. They will enhance the nutritional value of these products. Yun yung difference niya. And of course, the intention is to commercialize it. So yung Rosel, baka pwede hindi lang drink, baka pwede ilagay sa capsule. So iba-ibang platform ang gagamitin nila because of their partnership with the industry.
So how about the marketing aspect?
Wag muna tayo magpunta doon. Ang importante, we are successful in providing the research facility for the universities, in ensuring that the probiotics project come in. The bringing it to the market will be easier because they have an industry partner already. Many of our research and development projects, they produce very good research, but they're not able to scale it to commercial level. They cannot bring it to the supermarket. That is the gap that is there. We're making sure that in these new projects, industry is there from the start. So the commercialization will happen. There is involvement of industry from the very start.
Sir, on the other hand, what is CHED doing to address job mismatch?
Well, yung job mismatch kasi, it's, you'll have to determine what is the mismatch, what industries, etc.
Sa agriculture and fisheries, we have lacking.
No, it's not a job mismatch. We lack graduates.
Yes.
It's not a mismatch. The jobs are there, but we have very few graduates. So we have to encourage more young people to go into agri-related fields, and we have to make sure that what they learn in school is what is needed by the market when they graduate. So it's not a mismatch. It's a lack of students basically, because a lot of the students go to the more popular courses, the one that they perceive they will earn a lot. So you go into nursing, you go into teacher training, etc. Agriculture, medyo we have to do more encouragement. So we are providing a lot of scholarships for agriculture. Of course, higher education in state universities is already free. So yung the first obstacle to access is already, it has already been surmounted. Now we have to provide them subsidy while they are students so they can finish. And we have to encourage them and show them that there is a market for their skills. So that is the strategy that we do.
Sir, can you give us information what will be the new courses offered by MMSU? New courses offered by MMSU or other universities?
Well, you have to ask the universities.
What are the approved applications of Ilocos Norte universities?
No, what the Ilocos schools are doing is just applying for certificate of program compliance of their existing courses. We're making sure that all their courses comply with the minimum standards of CHED. Nandun lang sila. Yung new courses, this project will support new courses, will develop new courses. Depends on how the project moves. Yeah.
Sir, pa-update naman po kami dun sa 2023 ROTC Games po.
Yung ROTC Games, yes. CHED, the Philippine Sports Commission, the Armed Forces of the Philippines, the Office of Senator Tolentino recently launched the first ROTC Games, which will be for 2023. It is a project that will showcase the sports competition and talents of ROTC cadets all over the country. So we launched it at Camp Aguinaldo recently. We are now crafting the guidelines on how the sports competition will be. I think there are 8 sports events that will be used. And within maybe by next month, I'll start going around the country to visit the schools that have a large ROTC program to tell them to prepare for it. So ang mangyayari dyan, the competition will go up from the region to the national, and the competition will be along the fields where they are. So for example, ROTC cadets of the Air Force, versus ROTC cadets of the Army. So by field ang kanilang competition as you go up. So that will be done this year. It is also intended to be a parang first step towards the reintroduction of ROTC, which the bill has already passed the House. It is expected to pass the Senate soon. So, showcase natin, merong kasama doon sa ROTC Games na Miss ROTC. So, meron din Mr. and Miss ROTC to showcase the cadets. And hopefully, we can roll out the ROTC program once the bill becomes law. Soon. Parang preparation na rin yan. Kaya iikot ako to also look at the existing facilities of schools for ROTC and also inform them on how the new ROTC will look like so they can prepare. So iikot ako ng buong Pilipinas starting next month siguro.